Stand.
Yes. Let's see, 18, maybe 14 should do the trick. Y'all can see me. There I am. That's me. Yeah, we should be good to go. Uh-huh. Yep, looks good. Hello. Hey. Thank you for joining. Let's see, let me just prepare some more stuff. I should share the screen. It's this one right here. Hello. Cool. Should be good to go now. Nice. So let me just split the view. I don't like this view. I'll just do this, maybe. Yeah, that should do the trick. Where's my music? Is it too low? Maybe like this? Maybe? Hello. Oh, my voice is echoing. Thank you for letting me know. Let's see. Shouldn't. Is that better? No. This one? Yeah, is that better? Let me know. Be good. Be echoing. Hopefully. Hey. Nice. Lots of viewers today. Voice perfectly fine. Echoing still. What? Really? Let me see if in 2 minutes I can get this to work. What if I change this to and then back to this? Is it good? Is it really echoing really bad? Let me. Let's find on Twitch. Okay. Let me just take a look at it real quick. I'll mute myself, okay? Yeah, it sounds horrible. What? Would this work? Wait a minute. Yep, my microphone's bad. Oh, bad. Okay, what happens if I leave the studio and come back? Okay, I'll do something I don't like. If I do that, I need to. Okay, apologies. Okay, what's happened? I'll do this. Ventilation should be. let's do this like this. Okay, I'll just let me know if this works, okay?
What's going on? Okay. Should be better now. Okay, Chad, is this good? Is this good? I'm using the microphones for my computer, which is not the best idea because the fans are really bad. They're really loud, but I just silenced them a little bit. Is that good? Is this better? Yeah, now it's better. Awesome, cool. My bad. Apologies. Hey, I should maybe invest in a microphone. I don't know. Cool, awesome. So apologies for that. Cool. No, not sharing. Let's slideshow. Awesome. Well, thank you for joining today. Intro to NGROK. Yeah, I guess that's how they call it, NGROK. When I stream about this, I usually you'll just hear the weird word saying NGROK. Yeah, it's funny to say it like that. Yeah. So welcome to Intro to NGROK. As you can see down, my name is Charbel. People call me Bully. I am a robotics engineer or robotics and telecommunications engineer. I've worked with drones. I love edge computing. It's really cool. If you add AI to it, you can do pretty cool stuff. I'm 24, and yeah, I'm the program coordinator in the MLH Fellowship, and I'm also a streamer. So if you have any questions about the MLH Fellowship, just let me know on Discord. If I, for some reason, don't answer, please like spam messages, like DMs. I don't get mad, okay? It just sometimes I just forget to answer. And yeah, that's exactly the vibe. It's like NGROK. It's like, what's that? Why that's NGROK? Yeah, that's basically the vibe. Okay, cool. Well, that's me. I should change that image. That's when I went to Germany 4 years ago, I think. And yeah, time flies by. Cool. So what's NGROK? Okay, what are we looking at? What is the thing that we're going to work with? It's a tool that allows us to connect your local host server into the internet and share it with others. Okay, now it's echoing again. What? I feel like it's YouTube. It should be YouTube. Let's see. I feel like it's YouTube. I don't know. I'll leave it like that. Okay, if you can hear me clearly, maybe with a little bit of echo, I'll leave it there just because I don't know. It's the first time that's echoed with me. Just let me know if it gets worse. Okay. Cool. Okay. Awesome. So fine. Okay, we have a fine here. Okay. Cool. So what's it used for? You use NGROK for testing webhooks, demos for teammates, and what I love the most, which is IoT devices. Okay, I love Edge. Again, it's really fun. I was going to do this about some IoT stuff. The simulator that I used was giving me lots of errors with NGROK, because NGROK uses HTTPS, and WalkWe. Okay, it's fine. And WalkWe doesn't work with HTTPS. It only accepts HTTP. So I was trying to force HTTP in NGROK, and it reroutes to HTTPS. So we're going to do another thing, okay? Cool. So how does this work? First of all, you just type down some Flask code, some interesting localhost code, and you run it. But sadly, it's just in your computer, right? Like you're here because you want to open a portal between the World Wide Web and your local host. So you open a tunnel through NGROK to cloud when you run NGROK HTTP 500. Okay, that's the way to do it. This is the command we're going to use. You'll get the public URL from NGROK. Okay, when you run that command, you get a public URL, and then NGROK takes care of the rest, which is forwards the traffic. Okay, cool. Now we're going to do two projects. Okay, first project is all about adding a webhook to GitHub. Whenever we do a push in GitHub, our computer will notify us. Okay, we're going to create a Python code, add it to that NGROK URL is going to be added to our GitHub, and then okay, that's a good question. Okay, we're going to add that URL to GitHub, and then GitHub will use us as a webhook. Okay, interesting question. What is the difference between localhost and a public NGROK URL? That's very, very good. Oh, that's not good. If I do this and I do localhost, can I do like this? Do I have anything running? I don't. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so let's see. Let me think. How can I picture this for you? Localhost. Okay, I'll just draw it for you. Why not? Oh, but that's not it. Paint. I said. There we go. Cool. So let's say you have an app that kind of looks like this. Okay, where I don't know. It's a portfolio. Okay, so it says bully here, and then you have a bunch of things about me. Okay. Someone was in my past stream. Yes, it's different, and I'll explain why. Okay. You have this app. Okay, and when you do Flask run, which is the command you use to run Flask, which is an API in, or it's a library in Python, so you can do web servers. You do Flask run, it'll do okay, everything's good. You don't have a DNS, which is a domain name system. Okay, so the domain name system is like facebook.com or youtube.com or google.com. Okay, that's the DNS. Okay, so it says you don't have a DNS. You don't have a public IP, but you do have an IP that looks like this, maybe. Oh, let's do 2.1. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. This is for tunneling. MQTT is for broadcasting. Exactly. Thank you so much. Yes, that's it. Because with MQTT, what you're doing is whatever is in that topic is listening to your entire broadcast in the messages. This is your tunneling, basically, information from one place to another. Okay. Yep. Thank you. Cool. Okay. So back to this question. So when we do Flask run, we don't have a DNS. If you don't have a DNS, then you have an IP that looks like this. Everyone has one. This is a local IP. Okay. And Flask will say, okay, I don't have a DNS. I'm not routing to the outside world. I'm going to run in localhost. Like this. Usually it's 5,000. This is the port. Okay. So it lives inside your computer. You can run it, you can test it, you can use it as if it was from the outside world, but it's just in your computer. That's a local host. It's basically hosting locally. Okay. When we add NGROK says, okay, I'm going to take your local host, tunnel it, give it an IP from NGROK servers, and then I'm going to give you a URL. That URL is going to be accessible all around the world. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, localhost, only accessible to you. With NGROK, we make this worldwide. Okay. And yes, these two are great answers. Thanks so much. Cool. So that sounds good. Awesome. So, the next one is going to be an IP tracker replica. Okay. Anyone that sends me requests is going to be pinned in the map, and I'll know where you're at, and that's going to be interesting. We're going to see where you are from. Okay. Cool. Yep, that's it. Nice. So for this one, I'm going to need my Linux computer. Okay. Before that, I'm not going to work with Windows. Okay. So whoever is using Windows, follow this. Okay. Cool. Awesome. I'm going to work with Linux, which is easier. For these cases, it's just way easier. So for that, I need to come here, join this meet. I'm going to connect. I know I could screen share in another way, but let's see, new site. The computer that I'm using with Linux, it used to overheat and then it just closed Chrome. So it was unstable. I think it's stable now. I changed the thermal paste. Please change the thermal paste of your computers regularly. But yeah, I was like, why is this not working? And then I just realized it's because it's overheating. Okay. Cool. Let me just look for my cable while this loads. But yeah, funny thing is, I was playing like a week ago with my friend, and the CPU just started to spike like to 60, no, not 60, like 95, 96 degrees. And I was like, what? I wasn't playing anything bad. It was like nothing weird. It was Rainbow Six, which is not, it's not a very difficult game to load. And then some Hogwarts Legacy. 96 degrees Celsius, and I was like, yeah, I need to change it. So I opened it. The thermal paste was like gooey, weird. Yeah, it's change your thermal paste. Okay, even if it's not a gamer computer, don't worry, it's an easy thing. Cool. Okay, this. Just in case, I'll mute myself. There we go. Join now. That's me. And then let's just screen share. Yes, screen everything. Cool. Okay, awesome. So now you can see my Linux computer. Okay, I can do this. That looks better. UPC is preparing for its coffee maker side gig. I don't think it's a coffee maker. I think it was preparing, I don't know, to melt lava or something. It's, I don't know, maybe my PC at night when I sleep, it's like, I don't know, a nuclear reactor or something. But now it's a decent 70 degrees Celsius. So yeah. Yeah, per computer. Okay, cool. So to install NGROK in Linux or Mac, what we're going to do is just open my cheat sheet because I have it right here. Okay. Google Workspace, come on. Yep, there we go. You do either Snap, you do Brew in Mac, I think it's Brew, or in my case, I should do I'll do Snap, install NGROK like this. 485, not a secret. Okay, so you can see in this case, it says, hey, whoever is trying to install NGROK, you already installed it. Okay, if you're working with Mac or Linux, this is the command. If you are with Windows, please follow that link that I just sent. You should be good to go. Okay, cool. Now, then you have to configure a token. Okay, you have to do NGROK token config add our token like this, and then the token here. Okay, just find the token in the web page. Okay, just if you go to install, yeah, whatever, install NGROK Linux. Yeah, here you can find it here. You have to sign up. Okay, so sign up, you'll get a token, and then just copy paste the token, and you should be good to go. Okay, cool. Same URL, but instead of /Windows, it's /Linux. Okay, or I guess /Mac maybe. Yeah, there you go, /Mac, same thing. Yeah, sound good? Cool. Okay, so let's not mirror the whole thing. There we go. Nice. Now I'll just assume everyone has it. Okay. And now, what can we do with this? So interesting. If we do, let's go to my desktop. I have cloud from last time, and then I should be doing maybe a new one. Make there stream 2, then cd stream 2. Okay, in here I'm going to write Python 3. If you're in Windows, it should be Py, like this. Okay, but in my case it's Python 3. -m http.server, like this, 8,000. Okay, what does this mean? It means I'm asking Python to create a dummy HTTP server hosted in port 8000. If you don't know what a port is, picture the ports as rooms in a hotel, where the hotel is your computer, okay? And each port has a different guest, okay? Some ports are empty, and we can use them, like 8000. Some ports are not, like, for example, 22, which I think it's 22 is, I think it's I think it's MX, which is mail exchange. Port 22, what's port 22? Port 22. Darn. Port 22. Used for. Oh, the TCP. Okay, so it's a secure shell. Okay, so SSH works with port 22. So if we were to add port 22 here, it'll say, hey, port 22 is being used by something. Okay, so there are ports that are by default used by services, and we have more ports to use that we can use. Okay, cool. Now, if we hit enter, it's only saying server or serving HTTP on 0000 port 8000. Okay, we can actually go here, and you can see it says directory listening for /. Okay, basically it's saying, hey, I'm alive. Okay, you can see 0000 here, port 8000. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay. Cool. So, there's a 404 there, a favicon that I don't have. Okay, no worries. Now, where does NGROK come into picture? If we do in another terminal, okay, I just put the terminal there. I can do NGROK HTTP, same port, right? 8000. This happens. Okay, so the terminal goes crazy a little bit, and this happens. And I get this URL. And you see, it's saying, hey, I am giving you this URL. This is pointing to HTTP localhost 8000. Funny enough, this is localhost. Okay, so if you, and I'm going to share this with you, you should be able to see this. Copy. By the way, I just forgot. No one told me about this. Actually, no one reminded me. Nope, not this one. This one. Link address. If you could register here. Not bad. I forgot to send it before. Cool. Nice. So now that we got this, y'all can try and go here. Okay, click on that link. And you'll find the very same thing, which is this. Yep. Just confirm if you can see this. Yes, thumbs up if you can confirm. It's not coffee though, it's Dr. Pepper. Are you drinking Dr. Pepper at 6 a.m. in the morning? Yes. I know, it's not the best option, but I didn't want water with the stream at 6 a.m. in the morning, so I was like, nope, it'll be a Dr. Pepper. Okay, thumbs up if you can see this when you click on the link. It should be good. You should be able to see this, okay? And this is my local host. Okay, this is what I'm hosting here. This little thing, Python 3, HTTP server 8000. Yep, there we go. Beep, beep. Yep, should be good to go. So in this part, you can see then that my computer is in the world. Okay, thanks to NGROK. Okay, now, careful. This is not a domain name system. Okay, don't use this as a DNS. Okay, if you want to use this as a DNS, it's a wrong way to do it. Okay, this is we use more for webhooks, more for basically tunneling between or tunneling messages between one place to another. Okay, it's not for hosting apps. Okay, cool. So far, so good. Okay, nice. So we can do something interesting with this. Okay, what happens if whoever tries to access this server changes the port? For example, what happens if I do port 8888 like this? See that? Cool. Awesome. Cool. See that? It's not available. Why is that? Because in that hotel, NGROK is living in port 8000, or it's broadcasting port 8000, not 888, not 8001. See that? So careful with the ports. Okay, you can play with the ports. If you say, hey, what happens if I grab port 22, for example? What happens if we do port 22 here? Okay, just close this one. Instead of saying 8000, I'll do 22. It says no, permission denied, first of all, and then second of all, it'll say, if we can see here, it says can we take a look at why? What if happens if we do sudo? Okay, for whoever hasn't used Linux, sudo is give me the admin permissions. Okay, so sudo this thing over here, which I think it'll be really? Can you override port 22? What if I try to SSH? I'll try port what's the HTTP port? Port of HTTP 80. There we go. So I'll do port 80 for HTTP. Oh, you can override it. Oh no, you can't. Can you? Can you override the port? Let's see. That's funny. I thought you couldn't. Let's see. Oh, you can. Oh, okay. Then careful. If you do sudo like me, apparently the computer will say, yeah, sure, but whatever. Port 80, for example, is a port that uses HTTP. Okay, there's HTTP and HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. One is unsecured, the other one is secure. Okay, let's not do this. That's not a good idea. Okay, so usually if you don't use sudo, it should work. In Windows, it's more user protected, so it wouldn't let you this easily. Okay, you have to run it as an admin and then do the thing. Okay, cool. So far so good. Nice. Okay, so let's set up our first webhook. what are we going to do? Let's open code. Nice. Inside this code, let's write some interesting codes, which, by the way, you can find last stream's code and this stream's code right there. Okay, just go there. I'll just show you real quick. Okay, if you go here, click on Cloud 2026, you can find both NGROK and MQTT IoT. Okay, this is the templates that I'm going to use. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, I'll just put this right here. I don't care about the updates. Thank you so much. I don't care about Docker for now. Nice. So, let me open this in my iPad real quick because I don't have the codes on top of my head. Should be. Where's my code? Oh, there we go. Repositories, global hack week, code, and then cloud. It's NGROK. There we go. And then, yep, we should do this one first. Okay, cool. So, having the terminal here, we're going to use a Python virtual environment. Okay, each time I stream, I use Python VAPs. Why is this? Because if you install libraries without a Python environment, you install them in source Python in your computer. Okay, that means that if you have a clashing, incompatible, or non-compatible set of libraries in your source, all of your computers Python will have an issue. Okay, if we do a virtual environment, we're isolating only to a certain point in Python. If that creates an error, you can just either correct it or delete it, and your Python is good to go. Okay, cool. So to do that, I have to do Python 3 -m -v env like this. Okay, so as for this point, this is the command to use. Python 3 -m -v. The next argument is going to be your virtual environment name. For me, it's always env. It's the easiest. Okay, if you're in Windows, you do py-m -v env like this. Okay, same thing, but without the Python 3, only py. Okay, cool. Now, to activate this, Mac and Linux users, you do source env bin activate. Okay, source env bin activate. Okay, for Windows, what do? You'll do env/scripts/activate like this. Okay, the top one, Mac and Linux users, bottom, env scripts activate for Windows. Okay, cool. I'll run this. When you run it, you'll see an env appear here. That means you're in your virtual environment. Okay, cool. So we're protected. Okay, so you can see a folder just created itself there with all the libraries included. Okay, we can install libraries there. Okay, cool. Now let's do the no, not here. Let's do the webhook _server.py. Okay, so the idea is for us to do a GitHub webhook that it listens to whenever we push, and will send a notification to us. It'll say, hey, bully, just push some code in main. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, so we need Flask. Okay, so from Flask, import Flask capital F, request, and JSONify. Okay, and from Plier, import notification like this. Okay, so we have to do app equals start the app, which is Flask, like this. Okay, and then the port's going to be port 3000. Okay, so when you're working with Flask, I'll get rid of this. When you're working with Flask, what you want to do is you'll use a decorator like this. Okay, so you do app.route, and then it will route this endpoint. Okay, now inside of this we have to do depth index, and then here we'll do return your, or let's do this webhook is running. Fine. Point to slash webhook. Okay. So far so good. We have your index. This thing is called the I just like the word just got out of my brain. It's the page. It's not the page. Let's call it page. Okay, I just forgot the name of this. So when you do slash or your IP slash, this is the first thing that you'll see. Okay, so we'll have to go to slash webhook. Okay, cool. Now we should create that. Okay, endpoint. That's the word, endpoint. To create that endpoint, we'll do view endpoint. No. It's the endpoint. So the endpoint is, for example, you'll see here it says google.com slash, and then after the slash it says search blah 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 blah. That's the endpoint. Okay, same thing in my calendar. Okay, google.com slash calendar, which is endpoint of calendar slash u slash 0 slash r. That's the whole endpoint. Okay, cool. Now let's see. Let's go to Visual Studio Code. In here we're going to do app.route again. Inside we're going to do slash webhook, like this, and then methods. In here we're going to do post. Right? What does this mean? It means in this endpoint, the only acceptable method, HTTP method, is post. We can have get, delete, post, and I think it's update. Those are your HTTP methods. Okay, when you open, if I do this in Google Calendar, I refresh here, for example, this action of refreshing, it sends a get method. Okay, a post method is the method that's used to send information. Okay, delete is the one you use to delete, and I think it's upgrade, the other one, or update, is the one that you use to update information. Okay, so far so good. So the only one that we're allowing here is not even get. Okay, so if someone tries to go into slash webhook, it'll say method not allowed because it's a get method. We just wanted to send information. Okay, cool. So inside of that, we'll do def webhook, and then here print webhook received, and oh, what? What's the error? Got it. Apologies. There we go. Now, when someone sends information to this webhook, let's expect it to be a JSON information. Okay, so let's do get the JSON payload from the request. Okay, so let's do data equals requested JSON. Okay, where does this request come from? From Flask. Okay, cool. Now Log the headers. We'll do print headers. Let's do an f print, why not? And then request the headers like this, okay? For debugging purposes, okay? Cool. Now, we can also print the body of the log, okay? So print f, and then we'll do body, and then we'll do data like this. Yep, so far so good. Cool. Now, maybe I'll zoom out just a bit so you can see more code, okay? If you're following, okay? Cool. Now, we have to send an okay if we got the message, okay? So, return webhook received successfully, and then we'll do a 200 here. Good. Okay, so that's our webhook endpoint. Okay, it'll receive information, it'll print out the information, and then we'll say, hey, all good. Okay, cool, nice. Now, let's do another endpoint where whenever we talk to that endpoint, we should get a notification. Okay, let's do that. Add app.route. We'll call it notification. Should be a slash before it. Notification webhook, like this. Methods equals post. Okay, again, the only way we can access or use this endpoint is with post, not get, post. Okay, def notification webhook. By the way, the name of this doesn't have to match with this one. It's just good practice. Okay. Cool. Now, same thing. We get the data. Okay. Get the data from the JSON. So data equals request the JSON. Good. Same thing. Now let's and this is for GitHub like this. Okay. Try. Okay, if someone is not familiar with a try block, it creates a more robust piece of code. So if this fails, Python doesn't go crazy and just shuts down. It reacts in a very controlled way. Okay. So we do try user equals data to get user from GitHub. If we don't have any user, then no user, like this. So we don't crash anything. Message equals data to get. Message like this. And if we don't have any message, we'll just print out no message. Okay. And then the new message will say user says message like this. Okay. Now, the try is then followed always by an except. Except means if this try fails, what should I do? And we'll just say, hey, the message becomes webhook data received. Now, why like this? Because we know that whatever talks to this is sending data. Okay, it's not getting it, it's only sending. And we can see it here, it's only post allowed. Okay, So maybe we got a user with we couldn't parse the data for some reason, whatever. We know that someone sent something, right? So we say, hey, we got something. Let's do error while handling data. Okay, we can even get more specific. I think you can do exception like this as E, and then you can just use E. Okay, we won't use it because if we use it, it's sometimes the logs are just ginormous. Okay, cool. Now let's notify the computer. Okay, it won't be a print, it'll be a notification. So we do notification dot notify, and notification comes from flyer. Okay, cool. So notification dot notify. Yes. What do we want to do? The title is going to be webhook alert. Okay, and then we say the comma. We say message equals message. The app name is going to be NGROK stream demo. In my case, you can name it as you want. Timeout equals 10. Okay. By the way, going back to the audio thing, if it's echoing again or you cannot listen to me clearly, just let me know. Okay, because I'm using the microphone of the computer, not my earbuds, but I'm listening to the fans. Okay, and I know that the fans just kind of create like a weird noise. So if you just listen to that weird noise, just let me know, and I'll just change it back to my earbuds. Okay. So I said hi. Yeah. What? So what? Did I just freeze? What? Oh, there we go. Did I freeze? No? I'm back? Yeah, should be good. Okay, I kind of froze there, I think. Okay, all good, all good. Internet's good. Should be all good. Okay, cool. So we have time out of 10. Okay, nice. And return notification sent, and then at 200 here. Okay, cool. Now, oh, by the way, comma. Oh, no, yeah, I no. I just scrolled up. I just remember that I just heard the fans of my computer, and I know I'm using my computer's microphone, and I was wondering if you were like kind of listening to a weird cancellation sound. But yeah, everything's perfectly fine. Thank you so much. Cool. Okay, why do we have an error here? Yeah, missing a comma here. Cool. Okay, now, so far so good. Okay, now let's run this. If we do if under name double equals under main, then app that run port equals port. Okay, remember the port that we declared was 3000, was it? Yeah, 3000. Okay, cool. Now, what does this mean? Okay, some people don't know what this actually means. It says, hey, if we're running from source, do this. Running from source means you run this in your terminal. It's not another Python calling this. Okay, cool. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, nice. So this is the webhook server. Okay, now we have to do this is on our end. Okay, and there's where the tunneling comes in. We have to do one that lives in GitHub. Okay, so Oh, wait a minute. No. I'm wrong. Let's see. What is this code about? Wait a minute. Yes. Yes. Should be good. Yeah. Is this the one that's going to GitHub? Did I just get confused? Wait a minute. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, this is the backbone of it. Okay, cool. Now, we can go here and say, hey, first, let's pip install Flask, and I think it was Plier, like this. Okay, before you do this, make sure you have the env activated. Okay, now enter, let it work. There we go. Now, we can do Python 3. Was it what was it called? Webhook server. Okay, cool. Now it's serving. Okay, it's working. Remember, it's port 3000. That means we have to serve port 3000 in NGROK. NGROK HTTP 3000, like this. Okay, open it up, and you'll see the usual. In your case, it will be different. Okay, URL. Okay, now let's go here. Do this. Yeah, whatever. Oh, check that. So with this, I can just share it with you so y'all can see the same thing. Okay. Split view. I don't like split view. Copy. Should be the same one, just in case. I'll send it to you. Okay. There we go. So that's my NGROK URL. Okay. So you can see here, it's doing what we said. If we are in the first endpoint, it'll just say, hey, this webhook is running fine. Okay, all good. .2/webhook. Okay, so if you want to talk to me, point it to webhook. Let's do something interesting, okay? If we go to my terminal, open a new terminal. I'll maybe do this like this. Open new split terminal here. There we go. Now in here, I'm going to CURL -x and then post. Okay. Now I'm going to post something. You can do this. If you're in Mac, you can do this. I'm not sure how to use URL in Windows. Curl command Windows. Can you do that? Oh, you can. Oh, you can. Okay. So it should work the same, hopefully. Okay. So in your terminal, write curl-x post, and then post where in the link that I sent, and then we'll do -h for header. We'll do content -type like this. It's going to be an application/JSON like this. -d. Inside of this, we're going to add event, and then we're going to should use single here. I'll share the command in a second. Okay. We do its type event, and then we'll do demo pushed. Yeah, that's what GitHub look like. No way. 404 with the best haircut in the world. We love NGROK. It's made so many hackathons. Check that out. 404 knows the drill. Cool. Nice to see you here. Nice. Demo pushed, and then user. Well, who am I? Well, I'm bully. So bully, like this. I don't know if spaces matter. I'll just add spaces just in case. Maybe not. I don't think so. Like this, so it's readable. And then the message is going to be, we are live. Okay, like this. Cool. So let's see what happens if I do this. Should work. Oh, great, it doesn't. Yes. You mentioned a haircut, but my hair is the longest, most neat haircut it's ever been. As long as you are, as long as, I don't know. I was going to try to be funny, but you know, as long as you feel good about it, it's good, I guess. I know sometimes hair gets to be alive, but yeah, yeah, it's okay, it's fine. I said the haircut because I see Harry Potter's haircut there. You should try that one. Okay, cool. So I sent this, okay, which I'll send you for all of you to try. Copy, paste. Okay, let's go here. I don't want to split you, dude. There you go. Now I'll just share this here. So everyone try this, and please let me know what's the error. What like, if you read here, you might get a slight idea. Okay, someone got in the app. But if we try to say, hey, yep, there you go. If you see people just connecting here, that's cool. If we try this, why doesn't it work? It says method not allowed. Where are we sending the information? See that? It's NGROK free dev, which is okay. But aren't we missing /webhook? So if we try to load it from Chrome /webhook, it says method not allowed. If we go back to our code, we'll say, hey, /webhook only accepts gets. I'm sorry, only accepts posts. If we reload it or load it from Chrome, what it's doing, it's asking for a get. We're not allowing gets. Okay, that's why this happens. Now, you'll say, hey, we'll just send information. We send it to /dev. I'm sorry, only slash. You can see here, there's nothing after .dev. It means we're sending it to index. And index doesn't accept post. By default, it only accepts get. That's why it's saying, not this. Okay? Cool. Now, if we do /webhook, what will happen? Same thing, but go back. /webhook. Okay. See that just right after the .dev in the command that I sent, add a /webhook. Let's see what happens. Okay. You can see here it says post. It's at 200, which is okay. And then it says webhook received successfully. Maybe not the best looking message in the world, but I just sent information from my computer to NGROK. NGROK said, hey, I got your package. I'll send it back to your computer. Let me know if you got it. And it says webhook received successfully. Okay, you should be able to do the same thing. Okay, it says here we are live. See that? Okay, so let's do this. Add your name and add an interesting message. Nothing weird, please. But yeah, let's see if I get them. Again, same command, just after the .dev. please add. There you go. Someone tried, but failed. Which is not bad, but someone posted and it was a failure. No worries. Again, remember add the slash webhook at the end. Should be good. Let's see if someone sent something. What happens if I do the same thing instead of slash webhook? What? Why is the terminal like this? I don't. Oh, cool. Someone posted. There's Beep Beep. We're live, I think. There's Beep Beep. Thank you, Beep Beep. Cool. Awesome. So, nice. Now that we got this, I go back and instead of slash webhook, I'll do, what was it? Notification webhook. Like this. Notification underscore webhook, the one that we programmed. I'll send the same thing, okay? Enter. Ooh, cool. Check that out. NGROK stream demo. That's the name of the app. Webhook alert. And then it says, Bully says we are live. See that? Beep, beep. Could you do the same thing? Instead of sending it to webhook, could you send it to notification underscore webhook, please? Or someone. Okay, here it says, try installing it with, what? The Python package dbus is not installed. It's just a warning. Nothing bad. Okay, let's see if someone sent something. In the meantime, I'll just change this to the GitHub webhook. Oh, cool. Beep says we are live, I think. Yes. Awesome. Cool. So now this is the core idea of how this would work with GitHub. Okay? Cool. Now, let's do it for GitHub. Okay, now we understand how it works. We understand that to send information, we need to do curl or curl. And that's what GitHub will do. It'll fetch the information, for example, event, user, and message. Whenever we push to main, it'll grab that information, package it, and say, hey, NGROK, take this. NGROK will say, I'll take it. I'll just send it to whatever it's tunneled to. It just throws it away. And you'll get it. And we'll be able to see the notification. Sound good? Awesome. Hey, body, name, Davis here. Awesome. Cool. Nice. I'll close this one for now. Okay. Cool. And I'll close NGROK for now. Okay. Cool. So, you can see the notifications here. Cool. Okay. So now, let's do another one called GitHub. Okay. Cool. So far, so good. Nice. So same idea. Okay. Import from Flask. Import Flask request. And from Plier, import notification. And import threading. Like this. Same idea. App equals Flask under name. Okay, that means, hey, I wanted to install Flask. Give me the name of the object of Flask, and that'll be me. Okay. Port equals 3000. Let's do 3000 again. Okay. This hasn't clashed for now. Okay. Cool. So let's start by, a usual easy peasy, your regular function. Okay. So send notification. It sounds familiar. It's because it is a title and then message. Okay, like this. So best practices. Sometimes I forget. This helper function will take care of sending the notifications to the computer whenever we activate it. There we go. So now, same thing. Okay, use a try. Why use a try? If something fails, then you are protected. Okay, if something fails, Python won't just say, "Oh, I can't do anything. I'm sorry, bye." Yeah, that won't happen. Okay, cool. Notification. Did notify. That notify. I said. Inside of this, we'll do title equals title. We'll do message equals message. We'll do app name equals GitHub webhook, like this. And then timeout equals time. Okay, just in case it's trying to reach a message, if it times out, it doesn't stay there. Okay, cool. Now, except, let's do exception. As E, like this. Okay, so this is the way I told you before. You can do either except, print something. Let's just print the entire error just in case. Okay, so if it doesn't work, I want to see why it doesn't work. Okay, so print F error sending notification and then E. Okay, so let's do like this so it's easier to understand. Okay, cool. So far so good. That's the only thing that we have to do in this function. Okay, now let's decorate this. Add the route. It'll be called / GitHub webhook, like this, and then methods equals post. Okay, we don't have to we do this for post. You can add get comma post and check if the method is get, then you, I don't know, you can print something like, hey, this is just a webhook, please use the post method. You know, it's a fancy way of doing it. I wouldn't do it, but you know, you can do it. Okay, so def webhook. Now inside of this, we'll add some comments. This is the GitHub webhook. We're going to use to know when someone sends a new update to our repo. Okay, cool. I'll start typing a little bit faster so we can do we have time for the map thingy. Okay, cool. So instead of this, we do GitHub event equals request that headers that get. Okay, we need a header that has to have x dash GitHub, capital G, capital H. Okay, and then event like this. Okay, take care of this. Cool. So we check, hey, if GitHub event double equals pull request. Okay, we're only checking pull request. Okay, then let's do fancy stuff with that. Okay, data equal request JSON, same thing. Here we get all the pull request data. Okay, so we do action equals data that get action like this. Okay, pull request title equals data that get pull request. If we don't get anything here, then just give me an empty dictionary. Okay, from this the empty dictionary we can do dot get either title or no title at all. Okay, can or can have a title. Okay, cool. Now user equals data.get. And we can do sender if we have more senders than one. So we get a dictionary. Just in case, we get .get login, either login, or if there's no login, so someone. Okay, cool. So if you see these two options, it's either or. Okay, either we get the login information. If something happened, then we just print someone. Okay, cool, nice. Now, get a nice message. We'll do notification title equals new pull request. And then in here, we'll do action the title like this. Okay. And then notification message equals PR title. And then can I do backslash? How do you do backslash here? Darn. Backslash. Nope, it's this thing over here. Let's see. It'll be backslash n for enter. Okay, so new line. We'll do by user like this. Okay, so we do the PR title by user. Okay, nice. Now send the info. So we don't want this to freeze whenever we send the information. Let's thread it. Okay, threading the thread. Capital T. Target equals send a notification. Arguments equals the arguments that we need are the title and the message. Okay, so let's go here. And in arguments, we do notification title, notification message like this. Double S. And there we go. And then dot start. So we like the thread starts. Okay, cool. Now, if event, it's GitHub event, GitHub event double equals ping, which is GitHub for the first time says, hey, my audible, and it's a ping. Okay, so let's do, hey, if it's a ping, this is GitHub testing the connection like this. Okay, so we do print GitHub thing received, and then let's do threading the thread, and then target equals send notification. Okay, the arguments now are webhook connected successfully. I said, there we go. And now the message is going to be GitHub is connected, and then dot start. It sounded like the devices. Like there's some device that say Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Well, that, yeah, I just heard myself saying that. Okay, else print received unhandled event, and then GitHub event like this. Cool. Okay. So far, so good. Nice. Now, return webhook received and then a 200. Okay. Why is this? Because GitHub waits for the 200. Okay. So let's send it back to GitHub saying, hey, okay. Okay. Cool. Now we know the drill. It says if name double equals under main, then app.run port equals port, like this. Okay, we should be good to go. Okay, we should be good to go. Usually Tammy, one of the viewers that usually connects to my streams, counts the times that I fail. Okay, Tammy's not here, so I'll count them for them. Okay, cool. So I'll do Python 3. What's this called? GitHub up. Okay. Okay, it's running. No errors as for now. We do the same thing in NGROK HTTP 3000, same port, and it's being served. Okay, so if you refresh the link that I sent, now it should be this one. Okay, it should maybe send an error just because we don't have anything in your in the endpoints. It's just a post. Okay, yep, there you go. Someone tried to connect and it's a 404 because we don't have any gets. Okay, it's only posts. Okay, cool. Now this is the important part. Go to GitHub. Now this is going to be funny because I don't have GitHub. I do have GitHub. Let's sign in. Yeah, that's me. Okay, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Here it is. Let's see. 98. There you go. Should be good. Cool. Okay, now we go to the repo. Okay, I'll go to Global Hack Week repo. I said Global Hack Week repo. There we go. And now I have the public URL. It's somewhere. It's this one. It's this one. Okay, so if you're running it with me, copy this one. Okay, and go to settings. Yes, we'll go down to webhooks. You can see it here. Inside, okay, I'll edit. I had one, I'll delete it. That's from the last stream. I'll do add webhook. That is the payload URL. And remember, if we have this, we have to have slash, what was it? Slash GitHub webhook. Okay. Cool. Slash GitHub webhook. Okay. And then the content type should be application JSON. Okay, we're expecting a JSON. We don't have any secrets. Okay, it's an open webhook. Okay. And then which event select and view events. Okay, and let's send, or actually send me everything. Why not? Okay, cool. And make sure active is checked. Okay, and add webhook. Okay, check that out. Now you saw that? Did you see that? Wait a minute. I have my notifications here. Show notifications. How can I see them? Out here. See that? Webhook connected successfully. GitHub is connected. Again, I'm sounding like Bluetooth. I just connected successfully. I knew. But yeah, we have GitHub Live. Okay. Now what happens if? Great. There we go. Let's go to my README that I don't have a README just for this. Okay. Cool. Now, is this working? Let's commit. Commit. And okay. Notification? No notification? Really? Oh, on handle event, workflow job. Okay, I get it. I get it. We have to do it manually, okay? So ls, maybe I do, okay, someone had a workflow run here. See that? Check suit, okay. I'll do git clone. And then where's the code? Let's do it real quick so we can do the map thingy. Okay, yeah, come on, you can do it. It takes time. There we go. Cool. Now, td global hack week, and then ls, and then I don't know. I'll just go to code here. I should have done it with commands, but let's do it fancy. Okay, I'll go to README and I'll say, is this working version 2? Please work. Like this. Okay, so I'll go to my terminal. Now I'll do git commit -am. The message will be, this is a live commit. Okay, that's going to be. Okay. Now git add everything, git push. Let's do this. Oh, come on. Please tell me I don't. Darn. Okay, I need it. Let's do it real quick. Do I have it here? Wait a minute. I probably have it here. Should we this one? No, this is tokens that I don't need. I should get a new one. Come on. You know what? I appreciate. Oh, we can even do no. I appreciate GitHub being super secure, but dude, this is just sometimes it's just like, please, settings, because I don't have the. You have to go down here, go to developer settings, and then go to personal access tokens, and then I'll just create a new one. Oh, come on. Generate new token. This one. And come on. 30 days, I'll just do 7 days just in case. I'll do everything for repo. I'll give it a lot of permissions. I'll just delete it after the stream just in case. Notifications, user, every single thing that I can think of. Come on. Cool. Generate token. Blah. There you go. I'll copy this. Cool. And now we should be good to go. Shift Control V. Okay. I sent something. Okay. There's an handle event. Push. Wait a minute. Push. See that? Okay. Now go to repos. Stream. I said stream. Come on, what's wrong with my internet today? Come on. There we go. Now, this is a live commit. Okay. Let's open a pull request. Okay, it's not here. It should be here. I said here. Okay. And now, dismiss. Am I signed in? Yeah. Why can I create a pull request? Issues. Actions, come on. Why can I open a pull request like this? Is it because? Oh darn. Okay, I got it. Yeah, it's because of the tests. Wait a minute. Shoot, kid, this is just taking too much time to test. Because I have the tests. And if no. See workflow. There we go. This is for testing. There we go. Cool. That should be able. We should be able to. Darn, this is taking too much time. Come on. Can I open a pull request on this? Really? Really? Oh, okay. Let's do it the old-fashioned way then. Whatever. Readme. What? Did it just push itself without notifying me? What? Did this file I said? This is embarrassing. Version 3 now. Okay, I'll do commit changes and then I'll open a new branch. Okay. Oh, because I sent it to main. What? I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, there you go. Able to merge, create pull request. Come on, you can do. Yeah, there we go. Can you see that? Oh, I just clicked on it. What? I'm stupid. We didn't merge. Okay, let's merge it. Confirm. And we should see an handle event. There we go. No pull request closed. Update readme by bully 1601. Check that out. Cool. Okay, now we're just handling one event. Okay, that single event is, well, a pull request. Okay, we can do a ping too, but you have lots of different events that GitHub has that you can have running. Okay, that's how it works. Okay, cool. Any questions? I'll give you 1 minute of questions. If not, let's just go ahead and do the math thing real quick. Let's see. App.py. Is it an app.py? I think it is. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, no questions. So go to my GitHub. In my GitHub, you'll find in Cloud 2026, you'll find NGROK. Inside of that, please download templates. Okay, it's an HTML, okay, that we won't waste time writing. Okay, so I have it already. I'll just get rid of this one now. Okay, I'll just do 2 of these. There we go. Cool. Now, go to Visual Studio Code. What is this? I don't care about this one. Oh, I do care about this one. Wait a minute. Yeah, I do care about that one. There we go. Now, let's do app.py because we're using Flask. And let's start typing real fast, okay? From Flask, import Flask. Requests, JSONify, render template, and response like this, okay? And now from datetime, import datetime and import JSON, import time, import requests as I requests like this. Okay, cool. So app equals Flask and then under name. Okay, same thing as before. We're preparing Flask to use. Request log equals a list. Okay, cool. Now this is geolocation. I don't know, logic. Okay, now def get location. Okay, inside of it, I'm going to get an IP. Okay, with the IP, I'm going to try and say, hey, can you please give me this link over here, http://ip-api.com/json/ip, and then we do question mark. You can find this on GitHub, okay? Question mark fields equals country, city, latitude, longitude. Okay, that's what we want from the IP. Okay, cool. Timeout equals 2, so we don't use a lot of time. Data equals res the JSON, like this. Look at the JSON. It's the same logic. Return. We return a dictionary of city. Data ticket. And then city. Either we get a city or nothing. Okay. Same thing with country. We do data to get country or nothing. Okay. We do latitude, which is going to be data to get, same thing. Latitude here or nothing. And then longitude, data to get longitude. There we go. Now, oh, by the way, this is not a string. This is a number. This is not a string. I see a message there. That's great. Well, let's see if it works, Daniel. Let's see if it works. Okay, if I have some time to. Yes. Am I lagging again? Huh. Hello? Am I lagging again? Should be good. Yeah, am I good? It's a little bit slow. Is it StreamYard? Today's stream is weird. Okay, cool. Now we have this. We do accept. Let's see, accept like this. Return. Well, basically, city not applicable. Oh, well, that sounds cool. Thanks so much. I maybe I'll go there. Not the bot. Yeah, no. Can I? Yeah. Yeah, I can't. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Just don't listen. Okay. We do this. If we don't have latitude, we do latitude. Longitude. Like this. Okay. This was a lot of code. Let's do it real quick. We have 20 minutes. Okay. Def event stream last length equals 0 while true. Okay, true is with capital T. When you write C++, sometimes just forget. If the length of the request log is not equal to last length, then last length equals the length of requests log. Okay, let's yield this to the JSON. Okay, data JSON dot dumps, and then we dump requests log the last 20. Okay. I'll do backslash again. Now you're just seeing me code like at super speed. By the way, did I just miss requests? Well, there we go. Cool. Now there we yield, and then we sleep here. Okay. Time that sleep 1. Cool. Now stuff that we are already used to are add app dot route, and this should be slash stream. Okay. Depth stream, and then we return response event stream, and then mime type equals text slash event stream, like this. Okay. Oh, good. I know it's a lot of code in a short amount of time. Just follow me, okay? The location. Oh, wait a minute. This is not it. Then add app again. The route. And then we do slash inspect. And the methods are get, post, put, and delete. Okay, we'll accept all methods from HTTP. Now, the name of this will be def inspect. Now, the IP address is going to be request that headers that get. Okay, is it request? Oh. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, comma here. There we go. Request. Okay. Now we got it. It should be request that headers get, and then should be x dash forwarded dash 4, like this. Okay, double F with capital letters and then X. Okay, request that remote address. Okay, like this. Now the location is going to be get location with the IP that we got. Okay, so far so good. In the headers, when you send something to HTTP, you have headers. Okay, and the headers contain the IP address. Okay, cool. Now data equals, we're almost there. Nope. Nope. Okay, like this. Time is going to be date time that now dot string f time. The format is going to be H M S. This means hour, minute, seconds. Okay, that's the format we're going to give it. Okay, and then IP is going to be IP, and then location is going to be F string with location. Remember, we are returning a dictionary. Okay, so for location, we need it should be in brackets. This is a variable. City. Okay, and then location country. Okay, so both city and country. Okay, cool. Next is going to be latitude, which is going to be location and latitude. Same thing for longitude. lock in longitude like this. Do we have time? Yeah, have time. Okay. The method is going to be request the method like this. Could be post get. Okay, it'll say if it was a get, a post, a put, or a delete. Okay. Now in the path, we're going to do request path. In headers, we're going to do dictionary of request. Dictionary like this, the request of headers. And last thing is going to be the body of it. We're going to also print this request that get data as text equals true. Okay, we're getting everything from the users that try to connect. Okay, cool. Now let's do request.log. Insert the 0 here, then that. Okay, return desunify. We do status, and then received. Okay, like this. And then last one would be app.route. / which is your index, and then return render the dashboard. Return render template. And this is going to be in index.html. Okay. Now, yeah, this is a lot of this. I know it's a lot. Okay. Cool. Now, in your working path, create a new folder called template, like this. It has to be named templates. Okay. Yeah. Is audio again? Or was it me? I'm lagging. I don't know. Okay. So index.html, and then we'll get back to the templates thing. If name double equals under main, and app.run, the host is going to be 0000, port equal 5000, and yeah, that's it. Okay, like this. Okay, in templates, what's the error in this? Oh, yeah, that's true. This is a string. Okay, inside of templates, you're going to get that. How do you open this? No, it's not this one. It's this one. You go to Cloud 2026, intro to NGROK. In templates, copy index.html, and then just go in templates here and add it. Cool. There we go. Okay. Nice. So far, so good. Okay. I know it's a lot of code. I know most of you won't be able to follow this because I just typed it as fast as I could. I have 10 minutes, but let's see it work. Get rid of this. Go here. We do. Is it here? Yeah. So we do. No, you have to download first. Not this one, not this one. We have to download requests. Okay, so pip install requests like this. Should be good to go. Now, Python 3 app.py. No errors. NGROK, let's close NGROK. And then we don't serve NGROK in 3000. This one will be 5000, okay? Should be the same link, at least for me. Okay. Now I go to my own This is not found. It's not webhook. There we go. Okay, live request inspector. Okay, I have a map. I have a few requests. Let's zoom in a teeny bit like this. Okay. Now, in your terminal, you're going to put CRL -x post, and then this right here, the same link as I said before, -d for the message, and then you do hello like this. Oh, is it? The endpoint is inspect. Okay. Internal server error. Oh, great. What happened? Requests object has not attribute log. Where? Let's see. Let's debug it real quick. Line 62 request.log. Line 62. Oh, it's request log, right? Requests log. There we go. My bad. Apologies. We serve it again. Should be good to go. Okay. Status received. Okay. Let's go here. Did it get it? Is it because I refreshed? Maybe. Okay. Let's do it again. It says hello. Okay, already received. And this is not working. Is NGROK okay? 5,000. Is it okay? Why is it not working? Interesting. Should be working. Wait a minute. Let's debug real quick. Yep, should be good. Hello. Yep. Okay, someone tried. It should pin your pins here. Let's see. It should though. Did I get the wrong HTML? Maybe. Maybe not. Wait a minute. Let's see if I can solve it real quick. If not, I'm going to do something I don't like. Okay, I'm going to do that something that I don't like just because I don't have enough time to debug this for now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. L. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my templates, which is the one that's on GitHub. That should work. Like this, and then we do Python 3 -mbnb. Give me a second. Let's just demo this. Should work. I don't know what's. It's going to go to your end. It should. Oh, I hope so. Okay. ls, and then cd intro to NGROK, and then we should do pip install. What was it? Flask, request, and what else? Flask, requests, and that should be the one. Okay. Everything already satisfied. Okay. And then let's do Python 3 applet.py. Should be good to go. I don't know if I missed something in my code. Okay. Now let's do the post thing. Yeah, there you go. Status received. Oh, there you go. See that? I don't know what I just messed up somewhere. But you can see here. This is me. This is my IP. I'm in basically next to Cholula. Okay, it's a post, and it says with the path is inspect, and I'm saying hello here. Body. Hello. Someone said testing that someone is in North Bergen, United States. Cool. All the way up to New York. Interesting. Okay. So y'all do the same thing. Okay. Let's see who else. Okay. If someone wants to try it, let's see. Give me this thing right here. Copy. I should send it to here. Okay. And there you have it. We can. Okay, you don't have to. There we go. We should see. Oh no. Yeah, is it the one? No, it's this one. Okay, now try it for yourselves and let's see where you are at. Okay, I have someone from Africa. 2 people. Is it India? Yes. 1 person in US. I am in Mexico. Let's see. So the graph maybe doesn't say anything. It's just a fancy thing. But yeah, end time is here. Yeah, let's see who else is where. It'll be funny if I see like a pin here. Interesting. See that? So that's what NGROK works for. It's you can pin, you can webhook, yeah, and you can connect it either to Discord, GitHub, or even do your own apps. And NGROK will make sure that whenever you send information from one end, you'll get it from the other end. Okay. Yeah. Hi to everyone from all around the globe. And yeah. Any questions? Anything that you'd like to ask? By the way, I don't know why the code didn't work. The one that's on the Global Hack Week repo should. You're looking at it right now. I missed something in Python. In 5 minutes, I won't be able to debug it. Cool. Before we leave, please give me feedback. Cool. Now, 11 here. Cool. Now, in this feedback, yeah, okay, it says phishing. It's not phishing, okay? I promise you it's not phishing. I'll talk to the devs because this is weird. Okay, you go here and it should be an NGROK, okay? And then, oh, my bad. And then you'll see the questions, okay? If it was really bad, give me a 1 star. It's okay. I don't take it personally. It helps me to improve. If it's good, a 10 or the number that you think is worth this stream. Okay. Any last questions? Anything before we wrap not only the stream but also Global Hack Week? I'll maybe close this one for now. Okay. Is everything good? Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you for joining. I'll leave you to the closing ceremony. And yeah, thank you for your patience. How do I give feedback? Oh, in this link. I'll send it again just in case. There you go. Just look for the intro to or first time with a NGROK stream, and you should be good to go. Yep. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice one, and I'll be seeing you around. I usually stream every Global Hack Week, so yeah, I'll be seeing you around. Thanks so much. Enjoy closing ceremony, and yeah, take care. Bye.